You can also improve on your happy birthday message by adding in a little bit creativity to it. What you can do is to just add a font, and then we are also going to import the random library. We will take away this for now, and then we can create a variable called balloon, and inside this balloon we can declare some items here. You can check out what other icons you may want to use. Then we can write a for loop again, and then say we want to repeat this 100 times or even 20 times, but we don't really care about how much time we repeat this. We just want a repetition, so we put this here. What we can do is to print, and with this print we can just introduce in some variables here. What we are doing here is that we want to pick just a random number between 0 to 30 and repeat it, and this is what we are going to repeat. So we can also put in our time here, and then we can print the same message as we did before. So this is what you can do by adding in fancy elements to your message using pyfiglet.